We are absolutely printing money right now, and it is not even a joke. If you hold XRP, if you hold XLM, I mean, hey, we could even throw in some other altcoins there too. You should probably be pretty happy right now, and we have to talk about it. So with that being said, welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Nick. For those that are new to the channel, hopefully by the end of this video, you do become a subscriber. Now, outside of that, down in the description below, there's an iPhone 16 giveaway with Bybit. There's also a 50% off on the premium Discord if you guys do want to go check that out. It ends by the end of this month, so definitely check it out if that is something that interests you. And with that being said, let's dive on in. So listen, the market has been erupting, but nothing even close to what XRP, XLM, and a lot of these other, utility products have been doing. I mean, on the 24-hour span, XLM is up 47%. I kept telling you guys, all the XRP guys were saying, oh, XRP is better than XLM. All the XLM guys were saying, oh, XLM is better than XRP. I kept telling you guys to hold both of these because when the big moves start to happen, XLM and XRP just go parabolic. And in the last 7 days, we can clearly see that with XLM being the top gainer on the top 100, up 178% in the last week alone. HBAR up 113%, XRP up almost 100%. Guys, it is so exciting to see all of this. As we look at XRP, just broke over $1.60. I mean, look at the last 7 days on XRP. Look at the last month on XRP. I mean, this is insane. Trading volume up 77%, almost 78%, 21 billion. Also, don't forget XLM. Trading volume up 143%, almost 2 billion, breaking over 40 cents. Guys, I don't even, when we really think about this, obviously, yes, I've been talking about XLM. I've been talking about XRP for years now. You can go and check all the videos. I absolutely love XLM, love XRP. I can't help but to say congratulations to those that have been watching the channel, have been following the channel. I really do think that the number one thing on this channel that gets me excited is knowing that when I look at these charts and I'm seeing these prices up, I know that a lot of you out there are making money, life-changing money. That's the thing that keeps me going on this channel. I absolutely love the fact that, people's lives are being changed right now. And I do think that this is going to continue. Now, outside of just the charts, I have been following Fiat Leak. Yes, this is the best way to look at how much XRP is being traded. Over 3 million XRP being traded in the past minute. It just goes to show you how crazy the volume has been on XRP. I mean, look at how crazy this chart actually is. XRP is just being bought up around the world. I feel as though this is actually crazier than when we got XRP is not a security. I just think that this is something special to witness. It really is. Now, outside of this, XRP has also been outperforming Bitcoin. It has outperformed Bitcoin so far in 2024. Big shout out to Blockchain Backer for this. And, it does go to show you, if we really look at Bitcoin, if you look at Bitcoin in the last year, right? Just take a quick look at the last year on Bitcoin, up 164%. Okay. If we look at XLM in the last month, it's up 326%. XRP in the last month, 204%. In the last 1 year, Bitcoin is up 164%. We're not watching Bitcoin. Nobody's actually watching Bitcoin. If you want to make money, you're not looking at Bitcoin. You're looking at these altcoins while they sit idle because you could quickly outperform anything that you would make on Bitcoin in a very short amount of time. Last 7 days, XRP's up 82%. XLM in the last 7 days, up 180%. That's outperforming Bitcoin in 1 week for a whole year. That goes to show you how fast this space is actually moving right now. Now, I've also been looking at Google Trends. Google Trends for XRP and Bitcoin. It's kind of crazy that, right now, a lot of people are not really looking into XRP. I do believe that this is going to change. But what's surprising is how lackluster XLM engagement actually is. Nobody even knows about XLM. So for XLM to be doing these types of moves goes to show me that XLM is going to be much bigger. It's going to go much higher as well. Because when a lot of people start looking at XLM, got to remember, XLM is also on every single major exchange out there. I feel as though the retail FOMO is about to kick in a big, big way. But we also have been hearing a lot, about these price movements because they are very exciting. I mean, listen, the surges that are happening throughout this entire space, like, let's go back to the 7-day. I keep putting a spotlight on these projects because HBAR is up 115% in the last 7 days. Okay, ADA is up 60%. Mantra is up 59%. Algo up 50% almost. QNT up almost 50%. I mean, we are literally printing money right now. And this is exactly why I kept telling you guys, just be patient. I have gotten so much hate in 2024 from like roughly April all the way through the summer, through September, even October, and even the beginning of November. I was getting a ton of hate. But this is exactly why I keep telling you guys, be patient. The biggest moves in the market have yet to happen. And now we're starting to witness a small little piece of it. Uphold. XRP is on a tear, up roughly 30% in the past 24 hours. At the time of writing this, XRP is currently sitting at $1.46. Could we see the cryptocurrency break $1.50 or even $2 by the end of the day? And guess what? It broke $1.50. Guess what? It's over $1.60. I mean, from the point that it actually broke, like, look at this real quick. I just want to show you guys. This was at 7:10 p.m. Yes, I'm recording this a little bit earlier in the day, right? By the time that this goes live, I'm sure XRP is probably going to be much higher. But this was 7:15 p.m. at $1 roughly 51 or so. Guys, this is 7:37 p.m. $1.62. It's that, like, this is how fast the market is actually moving right now. And also, Anthony Welfare, recent employee at Ripple, he has left, obviously, but we have here, as I've said a few weeks ago, the best things come to those who wait. Enjoy the ride and catch up to where XRP rightly belongs. On September 21st, 2018, I took this screenshot and XRP was number 2 in market cap. Can we overtake ETH this time? Exciting times ahead. And if we actually look at XRP back in, of course, 2018, yes, XRP was the number 2 largest project by market capitalization. Right now, XRP is moving up the ranks. I believe it actually just flipped BNB, or it was close to. Yeah, it actually flipped BNB. Market cap is higher. It's not flipping it on CMC because it hasn't updated yet. I do believe that we quickly come for Solana, and then after that, yes, I do believe that we are going to target Ethereum. But the thing to focus on is that XRP and XLM move very similar to each other. Okay, I've shared this so many times in the past. If we actually compare with XLM on this chart, just to quickly show you guys real quick on how similar these two move. Yes, XLM is outperforming XRP currently. That's totally normal. It's happened many times in the past. But if we actually look at the last year and the all-time chart, you can see how much they are very similar in terms of price action. So if we're talking about XRP flipping potentially Ethereum, think about how high XLM is going to be as well at that time. So if that is the case, things are about to get very exciting very fast. Okay. Now, also, Credible Crypto talking about how on the USD pairing, XRP monthly RSI is about to enter overbought territory for the first time in 3 years. This is bullish AF. Contrary to popular belief, the higher RSI goes, the stronger momentum is, and the more bullish a coin is. Absent bear divergence, and like every other form of TA, the higher the TF this is on, the more significant it is. So the higher the time frame, aka like weekly, monthly, etc., the more significant this actually is. This is on the monthly chart, so this is actually very significant. The next target is $2, and after that, we go for a new all-time high. And yes, I do believe that that is the case. I believe that we're getting very close to that, new all-time high territory, because even if we look at XRP dominance, this is actually breaking out of that, trend line that I shared with you guys going all the way back to like 2019 or so. Last time that we're trading above this trend line, multiple times in history. This was back when XRP got deemed not a security. This was when we got, the news of XRP is a security, right, back in 2020. But we were starting to break out here, going on a massive bull run. So now that we're actually breaking out of this trend line, I do question, how high is this thing going to go? Are we going to stop at the 2023 highs of roughly 4%? Are we going to stop at the, 2020 highs of roughly, 6%? Or are we going to go much higher to, retesting 10%, for an example, which is like the midline? This is like going all the way back to June of 2015, for an example. Or are we going to retest the 2017, 2018 highs? We don't know exactly where this is going to go, but I will say this right now. XRP is about to put on a big show, but so is XLM. XLM dominance is also surging crazy. And if we're talking about this in the last 2 weeks, XLM dominance is up currently 239%, roughly 0.28%, which a lot of you will say like that's absolutely nothing. But in a market that is worth over $3.3 trillion, that is very significant. But also, I've been looking at the XRP Bitcoin pair, and I've also been looking at the XLM Bitcoin pair. And when we look at both of these on, side by side, you can clearly see that these two are following each other still closely, and they are breaking out against Bitcoin. XLM actually breaking over the trend line, which is very big. This is actually a very big moment for XLM holders. If you hold XLM, this is very bullish because very similar to the XRP dominance chart, if we look at the XLM Bitcoin chart, let's go all the way back here. This was May of 2021. This is pretty much where most of the altcoin market topped out. And this was also more recently. This is when XRP got said, deemed not a security. Again, showing you guys that it does move very similar. And now we actually have a breakout. We have the big breakout above this trend line. And this is actually very big. This is very big for XLM. In my opinion, right, considering the fact that XLM just keeps moving forward, I mean, over 374%. It's at 43 cents right now. At the time that I'm recording this, guys, if we're really being honest here, I just started recording this. I think like the price of it was at like 40 some cents, 41 cents or so. It's almost at 43 cents. XRP, don't know what XRP is at currently. Let me refresh this real quick, get Stellar off the chart. So XRP is kind of stalling a little bit around $1.60. XLM still looking pretty, but for the most part, guys, look at where XLM currently is on this chart. It is breaking over those 2021 September, October so highs. Guys, this was in the middle of a bull run. This is obviously after XLM topped out, but what's crazy about this is like this is the middle of the bull run territory that XLM is back to. That's crazy to me. And if we go all the way back to 2017, 2018, I mean, guys, this all-time high is not too far off. Let's actually look at this real quick. Now, this is off of the, just crypto pair. This is not an exchange or anything like that. Sure, it's going to be a little bit different. But XLM is 100 and roughly 20% away from creating a new all-time high. If we go and look at XRP, okay, and I'm going off of the crypto chart here, breaking through levels. Again, the next level here that we're really kind of looking at is $1.96, aka that 2021 high. If we're going off of the all-time high on this chart, it's roughly around like $3.32. I know on some exchanges it's much higher, but if we're going off of that high, guys, XRP is roughly 106% away from a new all-time high. If we're going off of $3.84, I'm not going to be able to get it exact roughly, but this is going off like CMC for an example, their all-time high. It's 140% away. I mean, it's crazy to me that a lot of people are still assuming that XRP doesn't create a new all-time high or XLM creates a new all-time high. I do believe that they're going to create a new all-time high. Right now, I would argue that millionaires are probably getting created overnight. I'm sure that a lot of people out there hold a very significant amount of XLM, XRP. These moves are very violent. I've stressed it so many times that we're going to see some violent moves this alt season. We're in the middle of it. I would argue that we're starting to kind of see alt season officially begin. I know that Bitcoin dominance actually just started to sell off a bit. Let's actually go check out the chart. So yeah, I mean, this thing is selling off. It's actually sub 60%. I'm watching to see if this trend line is going to break. Doesn't really matter if we get to hit these top levels here, but we got very close regardless. I'm watching to see a break of this structure because once we do, guys, these altcoins are going to print even higher prices. And I know that sounds crazy because a lot of you are probably already up 200, 300, 400% plus, but these are probably going to move much, much higher than a lot of people actually perceive. So with that being said, all I could say is, I'm happy for all of you out there. Make sure that you guys have an exit plan. Make sure that you guys have a plan in place. These moves are very violent. I would not argue taking some profits early on, but hey, everyone has their own plan. It's all good. But I will say this, I do believe that millionaires are about to be created overnight. I believe that probably already millionaires have been created all night or overnight. Hey, maybe all night, who knows? But it's just been a crazy ride. It's been a crazy ride in crypto, and I'm actually very happy for everyone that has been following the channel because I'm sure that a lot of you are getting paid right now. This is just the beginning. Let's celebrate when the time comes, because I do think that this is just the beginning. This is just like the pre-party. We haven't even gotten to the actual party yet. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys definitely leave a like, subscribe, to notifications on because more free content. You guys are more than welcome to follow me on Twitter and join the free Discord down in the description below. And with that being said, guys, it's been Nick. Thanks for watching. Peace out.